G'day viewers, well I'm going to install this sensor LED light I got from Taiwan. But a good friend of the family over there runs an LED factory, which is kind of cool. All my wiring is all over there, even the earth wires there. The red active as your loop. That's all been properly done with the clips or terminal cover there. Tape all this up, nice and black tape when I finish. I'm also going to use these Wagos. I bought some more of these from my shop in Taiwan, DFD, electronic retailer. So I bought a heap of those. I'm going to use some of those. All compliant, all up to standard, and all tapered all up with electrical tape. I'm going to fix up the mounting point for that light. I'm going to get some wood behind that behind all that and strengthen where this bolts up on. Make it really strong so it's got strength on it. As I said, the power has been taken off. In this case it's a federal fuse which I've pulled and verified that the circuit is isolated. That's the first thing you do. So I'm going to redneck repair these thongs I'm just using. There you go, a bread tag. Good old life hack. If your thongs fail and you need to get me home quickly repair, look for a bread tag. They work wonders fixing up your thongs. Look at that. Good as new. This old stuff's rubbish. Not for nowadays, it's rubbish. The middle one obviously is your loop, which I've put a termination on there, put that on there. That's nice and tight and secure. Now before I hang the light and wire it up, I'm going to get in the roof and make up a little mounting bracket behind here. That's not going to hold much. I get some wood and make it nice and strong and up to standard. I should have plenty of wood I could use. I'll find one somewhere. It doesn't have to look that good. No one's going to see it. It just has to be strong and structurally sound. I'm going to find just the right size bit I could use. Aha! Well, I'll have to use that. That'll go and cut that to size. Probably drill the holes. It's kind of hard, that wood. Cut that there, and that'll go inside. Perfect. Alright. I'll set the tripod up later and I'll film the process once I've done that inside bit. Alright. Let's get some tools up. It's already strengthened up. They should be on the top. Holes in there, there's shit in the spot to cover up, but I don't worry about that. Maybe a small hole at the back. Okay, not the right 40 years, but it'll strip alright. Wow. Okay, the earth's done. Let's get some of this light hung up first. Bolt it up. Sensor up, radio adjustment. See, I've got the brightness, luminosity settings and everything on it, which is good. It's hung up first. Go this way. Give it off and spot, but it should work. Give me 2 seconds, I'll get that doorbell. So let's just hang, eh? Okay, let's get terminating. Alright. Terminate these and I'll stuff them all in the hole. And I'll find a way to patch that hole up to make it look sort of neat. Okay, I'll do the earth first. Snapped on. This is a 120 and 240 volt compatible light too, by the way, dual voltage. That's the earth. Now the active behind here. So right one, just switched wire, switched active. Okay. Nice and strong, these things. I do like these older Legos, they're very good. Hands on. Neutral. Yeah, it's on me. Okay, we'll pick this up. Now I've got to tape all these up. First individually and then in one big bundle together. Position that light, position that. Perfect. It looks pretty good. Getting my tape out and I'm getting up those exposed Legos and top of that wire nice and neat. And we should be ready to put the power back on. Okay, get that all up. Tape this thing up. And you tape on that. That's the earth bit done. And a neutral one. Tape up the neutral one. Like this. Nice and covered up, including the little hole at the back, the test point. Don't want any of that exposed. Set one down. There's the active one. Okay, there we go. Go in the back of that. Close that hole up there at the back. Okay, it's all closed up. Okay, nice and sealed up. There we go. That's pretty good. Then I've got a loop wire there. There's one here. I love Legos, they make life so much easier. And away to go on Legos. That's all taped up. Okay, now to bundle it all up to a nice neat little, let's see here. There, and there I think is the best way to do it so I can get it to the hole. That. I need tape on that. There we go, tape it all up. Looks pretty good to me. There we go. Now it's a video where the camera's bloody still. Gotta get used to these sorts of videos now, make them easy to watch the bloody again. There. That's pretty good. That looks better. That's good. Tuck this all up in there and I'll work on covering this hole a bit later. There we go, looks pretty good to me. I have to make some sort of a patch or something, even a conduit box or something, but too close to that. I'll think of something anyway. Unless I move a lot more forward. But we'll see over there. Can't test yet because it's going to be dark. But that looks pretty good to me. Stable camera. There we go, that looks better. Nice and modernised. Awesome. Did turn on, there we go. Let's turn it up. Turn it off. Gotta set it up now. Let's have a look at the settings on here. Blow myself. Sensor. Sensitivity, time. Oh, there we go. It's working. Oh, it's hard to turn. Flies, I hate it. It's hard to turn. That'll destroy my fingers. Right, there it goes. Time, flat out, sensitivity. As much as I can get it. Let's have a look, that's max now. Turn that down. Right till it gets dark, I have to calibrate it. Bang, that's bright. That's nice. I have to adjust it and set that when it gets dark. That's pretty good. It will turn off automatically, but as I said, I've got to set it all up and get the timing right on it. Awesome, there you go. That's better, much better. Thanks for watching.